Alright, let's go back in. Good idea. Why are you doing this? Because for revenge. Do you remember that time when you knocked me out? It just so happened to be that I found you all. I lured you here to end you. Once for all, full killing. Wait, you can't use it. What? What do you mean? 100%. It won't work. You'll hurt yourself. Dang it, if I had something to help me. That gave me an idea. Lemillion, cover him.
Right there.
Alright, I'm gonna be right back. Hey, you remember that kid with the green hair and the yellow hair? Well, remember how they saved you? Well, they need you to save them. Come. This is the inside, we're fine villains. Hey, don't be scared, don't worry. They're villains that we had to knock out, otherwise we won't be this far. Let's go. Whoa! We need to hurry. Hey, huh? Hey, what are you doing? Look, why is she here? Stop! Don't say that. Take the chance. She's gonna help you so you can get rewinded. But just take it. What about the hey? I have equipment already. Okay then, get on my back, Aerie. Here it comes. Just make sure if it's over, do not rewind me anymore. Got it? One for all. Full counting, 100%! Everyone get out of the area! Huh? You heard him, let's go! Then I must fuse with him! Where are they? I won't stop! This ends today! He's falling! Gotta catch him!